And there's also a ground cover. I think it's called a juga. And it's got a deep root, so this area here was tough. So for sure, I want to run 4x4 from here to that log, fill this area with sand, and then rocks from here arching to there. I think this one we're going to have to remove. There's about 1, 2, 3 here, big boulders, and there's another one there that I thought they had removed, but they didn't. It was just covered. Yeah. This is not going to be as tough as that area there, because that ground cover was a little tough. So, done! Yay! So much later than last year, but it is what it is. There's still some weeds by those rocks. I have to move them, and I can't. My back is killing me. And I can only do my gardening that way. I did plant a little shrub here to complement that one there. And this is native to here. It's looking a little sad. I'm going to water it. I did finally put in the rutabaga. It will bloom this year. I love the trunk. Wow. And I believe there's another, that root there breaks out into 2, and I think there's another one here. I would love to use that to emphasize the garden and make that a focal point. Oh, so from here, even though it's not a lot, just removing those the weeds has really cleaned up the cottage. We will be removing all of those, like the plastic. We may leave these boards up because we're just not doing it. Yeah. If a miracle happens, I would be more than happy. But I think we're probably going to have to do the same thing next year.